Good morning, guys. There'll be days when you doubt yourself. There'll be days when you feel you don't have the energy. There'll be days when you feel not up to it. There'll be days you'll feel your dreams are dead. But remember, I believe in you. I believe in you. विश्वास है मोहे तो पे तोरी हिम्मत पे. Don't you fucking give up on what makes you happy. Don't you fucking give up on what makes you happy. विश्वास है मोहे तो पे तोरी हिम्मत. So yesterday I posted about eating out, right, versus grocery. This is another tip I have in terms of food, right? So if you are eating out and you go into a restaurant, all menus are available online. Any restaurant that you are about to visit, the menu is available online. Okay, unless you're going to some sort of a cave to eat, right? So spend 5-10 minutes going to the menu before you hit the restaurant. If you do that, you'll not have to rush order and order a meal thoughtlessly. You will have thought about the menu, considered the menu, and you will have chosen a meal already before you sit at the restaurant table, right? So don't go to restaurants, okay? Go to meals. Go to meals that you already thoughtfully selected, because if you do that, you will be able to eat more thoughtfully and in a more nutritional manner. Alright? There is a biryani shop called Shama Chicken Corner in Sector 56, Gurgaon, and there are these 3 tumblers of biryani, and it's really one of the best biryanis I have in Gurgaon, right? It's not very expensive, but it's really, really good. It's not even on Google Pay or Google or whatever. It doesn't have a Google account, otherwise I'll leave a review, but it's really good. You should try it.
Hi guys, what an interesting position to make a video in. What an This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna work for about 40 minutes on my laptop before I hit the gym. I've scheduled a lot of shit. I slept 7 hours 10 minutes last night, okay, which is way better than the last 2 days. The last 2 nights. The night before I had 4.5 hours of sleep. Then the night yesterday, or the night before yesterday, I had 6 hours and 10 minutes of sleep. So I was really starved for sleep. Last night I had 7 hours 10 minutes. Okay, I tried to sleep again. I wanted to sleep 8 to 9 hours, but I couldn't. So I caught up like 40 minutes. This year is the year of health. Like clearly I've been trying to fix everything. I've really fixed my diet and my nutrition. I've understood everything about it. Right now the only challenge that's left now is not protein, it's calorie deficit, while maintaining high protein. So high protein calorie deficit is the challenge I'm on in terms of diet now. And in terms of health, sleep is the only challenge that's left to be solved beyond the diet. So diet is high protein, calorie deficit, low cal is the challenge, and and the other health challenge seems to be sleep, which I'm working on. I hope in the next few days I'll solve it. Then it's all work. It's all comedy, writing, making videos, putting my work across the fucking internet all over the place. On my vlog, from my Author Amar Vani videos, I'm starting a story range for kids, Amar Vani for kids. That's also on the agenda, right? So I'll be starting a storytelling session or whatever. I'll make videos especially for kids, to inspire them, to entertain them both. Alright, so that's the agenda, a lot of work. Alright, okay. So I mean, some messages come, they disappoint me. Some people are just fucking disappointing. They're disappointing me regularly. Alright, so fuck them. Fuck those bastards. Cool. Alright, the message is distracting me. Alright, so I'll be working on for a bit, and then after that I'm heading to the gym. I'm doing legs. Rogers told me to work out legs twice a week. I was thinking if I could skip today, but I can't now. So it's deadlifts, snatch deadlifts, followed by I have dance, followed by I have swim also, and after that I'll head straight to Gupta. That's the way the schedule is planned now. So I'll carry clothes to head straight for the show. The show is happening. Alright, so it's a busy evening from now. I'll catch you guys. Try to be happy, okay? Try to be happy, alright? That's the whole point of my life. That's the whole point of your life as well, alright? Whether you realize or not, I'm there to remind you, okay? Try to be happy.
Hey guys, the day review. I'm walking earlier and I'm sweating profusely. My entire shirt that I'm wearing is wet. And I know I'm the only one, but I walked about 30 minutes. And I walked swift, right? So maybe it's the reason I sweat. Nobody else is sweating so much. My entire shirt got wet. Anyway, the day is 7 on 10. It would have been 7.5 on 10 if the show happened. Somehow the show didn't happen, the people didn't turn up, or whatever happened. And the show had to be cancelled. If the show happened, the day would have been over 7. But it was a marathon workout day. I didn't run in the morning today, but I did legs, followed by crunches, followed by dancing, followed by swimming. And the reason I could do all of that is because I managed to sleep about 7 hours 10 minutes last night, and then I caught up about half an hour in the afternoon. So I managed to catch up about 7 hours to 8 hours of sleep, which wasn't happening for the last 2 days. So I think sleep is very, very, very important. The days I'm not able to sleep for at least 7 hours, my day suffers. So I'm going to protect my sleep. Nutrition is great. I hit about 190 grams of protein is the maximum I hit today. In the last like 1 month or so since I've been tracking, about 190 grams on about 2400 calories. So that's great. Alright, so good night. This is Amar Wani signing off. Try to be happy. Alright, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.